I'm able. I don't have a mic attached right now, but I did clean my wheels. There's not as much brake dust. Actually, it wasn't even brake dust in there. It was more just dirt, because I had to park this thing outside. Actually, I'll do this too. This is my bottle of soap and water. It's literally just dish soap. It's what I clean. Hi, Mabel. It's what I clean parts of my car with wherever I want to put my suction cup for my DJI camera, but I'm literally just gonna empty it right now. I changed some settings. Oh, kitchen is done too, by the way. This is it. Alright, we got a new floor. But this is the new kitchen. Dish soap. Yes, there's some. So if you want to clean part of your car for rollers, like literally, just only a part of your car. You don't need to clean a lot. What I'm gonna do is just empty. Get all that old stuff out. Even though it's dish soap, I don't think it would really matter too much. But I'm going to anyways because I can do what I want. Of this, a very small amount because you don't need a lot. Alright, try to get some. It's only like half full. But then once you're done, you literally just shake it up. And I like to spray a little bit just to try to get some pressure out of there. And now you're good. So whenever you want to use a suction cup with this, you just shake it up, spray wherever you want in the car, and wipe it down with a microfiber towel. Oh, actually. So obviously I'm in the car because this is a car channel, and something that's really important to me is time. And I don't think I've recorded it, but I have six microfiber towels in here. I keep one for the bottle of soap, just so when I literally, probably seen my rollers before on like Instagram or something. I just wipe off a part of my car around there usually, or I spray it with the water, and then wipe it down with a towel and stick my suction cup thing on there, and it's good. Obviously it's really, it's like really dirty right now. But yeah, so something that's important to me is time, and with washing a car, you obviously need to dry it. It's still low. That brings me to getting a Tuftowel. Derek is a YouTuber. He mains Ford, but he alts Chevy. So it comes in just a black bag, that's whatever. But this, oh wait, wrong way. Oh, but this is it. A big thing I'm really looking for is the instructions to dry, because I've had clothes that I really like literally this one right here. I almost dried it, but I didn't. So luckily I paid attention. But instructions on how to dry is really important to me, and if it's clear and simple, that's mainly what I'm looking for. This is really soft. I can tell it's really soft through the packaging. But it comes in this black bag here, and I don't know how well you can see it, but yeah, Tuftowel. I actually like it. It's black and gray, and it's really clean. The material of this is also like the higher quality plastic. I think it feels higher quality than like a sandwich bag that I've seen some stuff kind of come in, like that shiny, clear, cheap, basic stuff. To be fair, it's just a bag, but when he really cares about this, and that's like, I feel like something that if they would rather pay more money for something more expensive than try to save money on something cheaper, if that makes sense. I don't know, that's what I would do. But we opened it up. Thank you. Oh, it's on here. Pause the video if you want, but yes, dude. Yes, Derek, that is exactly what I wanted to see. If I just well, exhaust tips are a pretty hefty thing. If they're dirty, they're really dirty. Like if you know, you know. And I probably, anytime I was going to use this towel, it's probably going to be for like the whole car, or like a major job, I guess, for drying. So I plan to wash it every time. But you take it out, and it literally, I mean, to be honest, it kind of just looks like a towel because it is, but it's just the power. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know it's like, I don't know if it's made in a factory or what, but it smells like a towel. I don't know how to explain it. Oh, this is huge. I have like a Louis Vuitton blanket about the size of this for some reason. I don't know why. This is a really big towel. I'm like 5'9", and I don't know how well you can see me, but like, about to the ground to me, it's about halfway-ish. This is a really big towel. Now, what is going on here though? What is this line here? Is this line meant to be here? Can you even see what I'm talking about? Right here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. Right here. What is that line? Why is that there? Okay, well it's on all sides. Okay, I'm done. What is it? Is it for something though? If it's for something, it'd be cool. Like maybe this middle part is better for like a lot of water? That doesn't make sense. I don't know. Maybe I'm just dumb and stupid, which I am. It seems good. Oh, the little logo has a little thing right there. Oh, cool. This is a big towel, and I'm about to use it. I don't know if I need to wash it before I use it. I have no idea. I'm not going to, because I'm actually going to a meet right now, and I actually planned to put this on the front of my car. You know what? Not that I don't think anyone would steal my towel, but I don't want anyone to steal my towel, so honestly, I'm just gonna fill it up with that bag that it came with, just on the outside of this. I'm just gonna fill it up with that and some other stuff. Okay, well this is actually pretty funny. I filled it up with other microfiber towels. Oh, dang it! That took too much, but now, see it in there? You don't see, oh, well, you can't see it outside, but you can't see the 18 towels I just stuffed in there. So, yeah, this actually worked out really well. So I'm headed to the wash literally right now, and we're gonna put that towel in, we're gonna see how good it is. I've seen really good reviews about it. Alright, so I'm in a touchless wash right now, and it shouldn't take too long, probably like no more than 10 minutes. And well, you can't see now, but last time I was in here, it was hot. I did it on like an 85-degree day, and my windows were all foggy when I got out, and it sucked. But it's like 88 degrees, I think. I'm not gonna show my location, that sucked, but it's about 88 degrees, and yeah, I'll pick this up when I'm out of the wash. All right, Derek. It's your time to shine, buddy. You can see, just get out the, if you can see the wall. I can't see my screen, it's too bright out. Oh yeah, you can see it up there though. All right, Derek. Okay. Right here, there's some water. Bam! And it's gone now. I can't see. Oh yeah, there you go, you can see that.
I'm not recording like any of the angles you want.
What is that? Our tail lights. There. Yeah, you can see it. All right. It is a really large towel.
It is extremely large, so small spaces like this.
That one actually doesn't sound that bad, to be honest. I don't think so. There you go.
That's actually pretty good.
Oh, I thought I wasn't recording this whole time. I was gonna be so upset.
That was actually impressive, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's Tuftowel. That's Tuftowel right there.
I didn't even move spots on the towel. I just one spot all the way through, and
I had
didn't
like
leave streaks or nothing.
I used like 80 microfiber towels when I would dry my car.
Yeah.
And it was really annoying. And then this guy, he's a YouTuber who made this, and it's like actually good. So like someone who actually knows about cars.
On this stuff.
And you see the water there, and then he's gonna clean it. It's gonna go away.
There it is. Boom. Wow.
Yeah, see how much you can get. Oh, okay, well, there goes like all of it.
Oh, I have a whole nother door.
Okay, well, yeah, that's fine. But that's like one streak, and like probably 90% of it's gone.
Yeah, and I could have kept going too. I haven't moved a single. I did not move it too. Same corner. Get up down under here. One corner. I mean, it's damp, but it's not.
Yeah.
It's not like wet, you know. That's actually insanely impressive.
There, you got some more water there. Same corner, or well, I guess a different corner, but same corner for us all.
Yeah, I moved corners.
All right, let's see.
Start up top again, or should I start back here?
That's whatever you want to do.
I'll start back here. One swipe.
Oh my God, it's like
magic.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Good product. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah, I'll send you a link. Actually, it'd be good.
I will.
Oh, it's a leaf blower. I got scared of those in my car. Okay, update. I am currently in Ann Arbor. I left the car meet. I had the Tuftowel. As you can see, it's still here. I had it on my windshield, and I was there for like 15 minutes. And then, yeah, I had to leave because I had to go eat dinner. And now I'm in Ann Arbor with my friend. I thought I just saw him. There he is.